ATD Tools, 15-piece, metric raised panel combination wrench set includes sizes that range from 7 to 22 millimeters. It also meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. Combination wrenches combine the functions of both open-end and box-end wrenches. The 12-point, 15-degree offset box end provides better access to tight spaces and can be used on either a hexagonal or a square nut. They are made from high-quality drop-forged steel for strength and toughness. It includes a durable nylon roll pouch with handles and straps. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.